The new Core 7 integrated client gives customers who have access to a core server the capability to work on projects that reside both locally on their computer and remotely on the server. If you have a core server, this will allow you to work locally on projects, to keep a sandbox, or to work on a team project locally, then importing the changes to the server. Let's take a look at how this works. When you launch Core, notice the new field on the login screen, which indicates which repository you are connecting to. Use the drop-down box to select the repository you would like. Local resides on your machine. Either an IP address or server name will indicate your core server. My core server is on the same computer as my integrated client installation, as indicated by my IP address. I'll select to access my core server and log in as the administrator. You can see here that I already have one project on my server. There are two ways to add projects. You can either import an existing project or create a new one. We'll do one of each, saving one on the server and one in the local repository. First, I'll import an existing project to the server repository. Notice the new selection for the repository location. I've selected my core server. Now, when I look at projects available, I see both projects. Next, I'll create a new project in my local repository, which I can do even though I'm logged into the server. Click New Project. Name the project and select the location. Now, when I look at the project list, there are three. Notice the repository location indicated at the end of the project name. Work done on the core server is saved in real time, so my projects there are already stored. However, work on the local repository is only saved when I choose to do so. Now, I'll save my local repository. Click File, Save Repository. Give it a name and a location, and save. Note that when I do this, I am only saving the information in the local repository. I can open my local repository without accessing the server, or I can access both at once. The choice is mine. The local repository is always available when you launch Core 7, regardless of where you log in. Projects on the server are only available when you log into the server. I hope this screencast has helped you to see the flexibility and power of the new Core integrated client. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Email me at support@vitechcorp.com.